Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing blue screen of death errors on your Windows computer, follow these step-by-step instructions to diagnose and fix the problem. Step 1. Note the error code displayed on the blue screen, such as System Service Exception or Driver IRQL not less or equal. This code helps identify the cause. Step 2. Restart your computer in safe mode by pressing F8 or Shift plus F8 during boot, or use Windows Recovery Environment if normal boot fails. Step 3. Update all device drivers, especially graphics, chipset, and storage drivers. Open Device Manager and check for driver updates for each device. Step 4. Run Windows Update to ensure your operating system has the latest patches and security updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Step 5. Check your hard drive for errors using the built-in chkdsk utility. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type chkdsk/f/r, then restart when prompted. Step 6. Test your RAM for errors using Windows Memory Diagnostic. Press Windows key plus R, type mdshed.exe and select Restart Now and check for problems. Step 7. Uninstall recently installed software or hardware that may be causing conflicts. Use System Restore to return your computer to a previous working state if necessary. Step 8. If errors continue, run the System File Checker by opening Command Prompt as administrator and typing sfc/scannow. This repairs corrupted system files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.